So hey guys, I wanted to bring you downtown to this iconic spot where I started selling jewelry here in 1989 at that very fountain. I used to sit here for 8 hours and sell for $3 a day, selling little hand-painted buttons. But I thought it would be a great place to celebrate a milestone of 50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to thank everybody for all their support. And in honor of that, I'm doing a giveaway. So what I want you guys to do is tell me below your favorite animal and why it's your favorite animal, and I will create a new design in your honor for either a pendant or a decoration of that animal, and I will send you the sample in the mail. So comment below with your favorite animal and why you like that animal, and thanks again everybody for your awesome support.